Hi, I'm Dr. Devayani Barve, and today I want to share some insights on one of the most popular non-surgical treatments for skin tightening, radiofrequency, also known as RF. You've probably heard this term in beauty or skin clinics, and maybe even from friends who have tried it. But what does it really mean? And how does it actually work on your skin? There are devices available even on online sites. Do they work similarly? Let's break it down. First, what is radiofrequency? Radiofrequency is simply controlled heat energy. It is delivered into your skin using safe, advanced technology. Now think of it like giving your skin cells a warm, relaxing massage, except this massage goes deeper and has a purpose. The warmth is not random. It is carefully controlled and studied to target the right layers of your skin. Now, what happens beneath the skin? This is where it gets interesting. The heat from RF doesn't just stay on the surface. It travels deep into the layers where collagen lives. Now, the collagen is like scaffolding or framework of your skin. It is what keeps your skin lifted, firm, and youthful. As we age, collagen fibers weaken and break down. That's why we start seeing sagging, fine lines, loss of firmness. What radiofrequency does is it wakes up this collagen. It's almost like sending a signal to your skin, telling it, hey, it's time to repair and rebuild. This stimulation not only strengthens your existing collagen, but also encourages production of new collagen and elastin. So why is radiofrequency so effective? The benefit is actually twofold. On one hand, it works instantly by tightening your existing collagen fibers. You will notice that mild firmness right after a session. On the other hand, the long-term effects are even better. Over weeks and months, your skin naturally heals, producing fresh collagen and elastin, which means your results continue to improve with time. So you're not just getting a quick fix, you're encouraging your skin to heal and renew itself. Now let's talk about the patient experience. Many people are concerned about the pain or the downtime, but RF is very comfortable. Most patients describe it as a warm, soothing sensation, almost like a hot stone massage for your face. Performed under local skin numbing creams, there is no pain, no cutting, no scars, and importantly, no downtime. You can walk straight out of the clinic and get back to your daily routine. The changes are gradual and natural looking, which makes it a very popular choice for those who don't want and don't need drastic surgical changes. Who benefits from it the most? RF skin tightening is great for anyone who has mild to moderate skin laxity, meaning if you're starting to notice sagging around your cheeks, jawline, or under your eyes, or fine lines forming, this treatment can help. It's also suitable for different age groups because it's about prevention as much as correction. In younger patients, it helps maintain collagen strength, and in older patients, it helps restore firmness. So to sum it up, radiofrequency works hand in hand with your body's natural healing power. It strengthens what you already have and encourages your skin to build new collagen, giving you gradual, natural looking results without surgery, without scars, and without taking time off from your life. I am Dr. Devayani Barve, and I hope this explanation gave you a clear picture of how radiofrequency works for skin tightening. If you're curious about whether this treatment is right for you, the best step is to consult with a specialist who can guide you based on your needs. There are various types of radiofrequency devices which work at different depths on skin. And this is what makes the difference between any other off the internet treatment and specialized, safe and approved treatments. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to like, share with your friends who may find it interesting, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.